Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So on Saturday, your TV was set alive once again after Gogo Maweni's much watched reality TV show called Tokoza Gogo, as she performed this very evil, I must say evil ritual. Now we saw this lady who wrote to Gogo Maweni because she wanted to um, perform a deadly ritual on her husband's side chick. You guys, she says that she found this underwear in her room where they had clothed off and decided to take this to Gogo Maweni so that she can deal with her the African way. And let me tell you that Gogo Maweni made sure this time this side chick gets a taste of her own medicine as they went into a ditch to perform a very deadly ritual whereby a panty was taken and placed into a pig, and they go ahead to explain this ritual, saying that as they spoke, as they did their incantations and hexes on the pig, this lady will be followed by trouble everywhere that she goes, and everything that she owns will disappear. Basically, this lady's life will be stagnant. People were saying that, like in the Bible, there is this chapter, I think it's in the book of Matthew. I have read that whereby Jesus chased demons away from two mad men, I think, and those demons went out and then they ran and hid, went into a pig sty. You guys, people were saying that this is exactly what Gogo Maweni was doing, and as pigs are deemed as very dirty and unclean, they have this unclean spirit. They were saying that she was actually transferring the dirtiness of a pig into this lady's life so that she will be invincible, so that she will remain nothing on this world. You guys, while people were saying why doesn't this lady deal with her husband and leave the side chick alone? That's what people were saying, and Moini did a second video trying to clarify why, and I think I'm going to upload the second video next. And people were saying that this lady is very much stupid, as her husband will watch this. Not only her husband, but the rest of South Africa will watch this on national television. And what about her credibility? People will lose respect for her because of this deadly ritual which she performed on national television. People were saying that, do you think that your husband will still want you after this, unless maybe if you have done some sort of voodoo and witchcraft on him to rather? People are saying that, you know what, you have exposed yourself, your in-laws, your friends, your family will never take you seriously, and even your children, if you have kids, they will not love what you did or what you're doing. Anyways, you guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section down below, and also subscribe if you haven't yet done so.